Hello everyone! Today we're going to trade on OTC currency pairs. These currency pairs are generated by the broker's platform. They are over-the-counter quotes. They are not really amenable to the fundamental analysis, but technical analysis is quite applicable to them. So today we're going to trade on the levels of support and resistance, upward and downward trends, technical analysis figures, cases, and patterns in the market. Technical analysis works perfectly on OTC charts. Now I have only $50 on my deposit, but I plan to increase this amount of money to $4,000. Also, if we succeed today, we're going to apply for the withdrawal. So make sure to watch this video to the end, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment and press the bell. Also, don't forget to check the description. There you will find the link to my closed Telegram channel, which you can easily join. Just send me the code word team to my private messages and I will add you to my community where I'll be sharing my trading signals with you for free. So let's get started and find the first entry point. Here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. There is also the level of resistance at the top. After touching the level, there was a pullback down and now the price turned around and is moving in a certain range. There's a certain upward price corridor. In this case, I suggest opening the trade for a race for 3 minutes. I think that the price will continue to move towards the level soon, since the overall price potential is also going to increase. At the same time, the main price levels become higher. I hope that in this case 3 minutes will be quite enough for us. We take time to spare, taking into account the possible trading. It is possible that the price will continue to move in the trading zone for some time, and only then there will be an exit and movement to the level. So let's wait for the result. Wow, that went great. As you can see, the price really continued to move up to the level of resistance. This is where we make a profit. We have just earned money on the approach of the price to the level. 3 minutes was perfect for us. So that was a very good start. So let's continue and find the next entry point. Here at the bottom, we have the level of support. We'll also see that there was a confident downward movement here. The price is approaching our level. There is also an upward pullback. In this case, we will open a trade for a fall for 3 minutes. I think that soon the price will continue to move towards the level. As the overall price potential is going down, the main price highs are getting lower. I hope that in this case 3 minutes will be quite enough for us. Just at the moment we see that the red candles continue to form, so let's wait for the result. That went well. As you can see, the price continued to move towards the level, and this level was also broken through. 3 minutes was enough for us. We just made money on breaking through the level of support. The price has a really great potential for a fall. So these cases work fine. Let's continue and find the next market case. Here we have the level of resistance. We see that there was a confident upward movement and there was also a breakout of the level. At the moment after the breakout, the price has stopped its movement. There is a fading. Small candles begin to form. In such a case, we will try to open the trade for a fall for 1 minute. It's more likely that soon the price will fall into the correction zone. There will be a pullback down. Just as we see, the red candles are beginning to form. Also, as in most cases, after the approach to the level as well as an impulse breakout, a pullback in the opposite direction occurs. As a rule, in such cases, 1 minute is just enough. I hope we will have time to make money on this corrected movement, so let's wait for the result. So that went great. There was a pullback down and we just made a profit. As you can see, 1 minute was just enough for us. The price really got into the correction zone. There was a pullback down. Everything is going great. So let's continue and find the next entry point. Here we have the level of support. We also see that there was a confident downward movement. The price approached our level. There was also a fading near the level. We see that there was a false breakout. This is the place where the red candles go beyond our level. We see that there was a slight upward pullback from the level. The price is moving higher. In this case, I suggest opening the trade for a fall for 2 minutes. Since we also see that the overall price potential is going down, the main price highs are getting lower, it's more likely that this level will be fully broken through soon. We also took 2 minutes to spare, taking into account possible trading, so let's wait for the result. Excellent. As you can see, after a slight pullback up, the downward movement continued, and here we make a profit. In this case, 2 minutes was just enough for us. We'll also see that this level has not been broken through yet. There's a sudden compression. I think that soon the price will continue to move down and this level will still be broken through. Therefore, I propose to open the next trade here. Let's open a trade for a fall for 2 minutes. Again, I hope that this time it will be quite enough. So, my friends, let's wait for the results. Great. As you can see, this level was still broken through. This is where we make a profit. We just earn money on the breaking through the level of support. These cases work fine. I suggest to continue and find the next entry point. Here we see the level of support. We see that at the moment the price approached our level with fairly confident red candles. At the same time, we also see that the price is already starting to go beyond the level. We will open the trade for a fall for 1 minute. I think that this level will be broken through soon. Perhaps we will get into the most impulsive downward movement of the price, breaking through the level. Since the price here also has an excellent potential for a fall, I hope that we will have time to make money on this downward movement. We just see that red candles continue to form, so let's wait for the result. Great. As you can see, this level was broken through. This is where we make a profit. We just made money on breaking through the level of support. The price has an excellent potential for a fall. We really got into breaking through the level itself. 1 minute in this case, as you can see, was enough. So let's continue and find the next entry point. Here we have the level of support. We see that at the moment, the price is already starting to go beyond our level. A breakthrough occurs. Let's open a trade for a fall because we also see that the price has an excellent potential for a fall. The main price highs are getting lower just at the moment. A good confident impulse red candles begin to form. We just got into the very breaking through the level where the price is moving down very impulsively. I hope that in this case 1 minute will be just enough for us, so let's wait for the results. Well, excellent. As you can see, this level was broken through. Here we have just earned money on breaking through the level of support. These cases work fine. At the same time, I already have $3,000 on my deposit, and I suggest opening another last trade for today. Now we'll find some other working case on the market and continue. Well, here we have the level of support. We also see that the price is already starting to break through our level. We will open a trade for a fall for 1 minute. There is a steady downward movement. I hope that in this case we will also have time to make money on this downward movement. So let's wait for the result. Well, my friends, that went great. As you can see, this level was really broken through and we managed to make money on this downward movement. 1 minute was just enough for us. The price has an excellent potential for a fall. Meanwhile, I already have $4,383 on my deposit, which means that I have fulfilled my plan for today. I suggest we apply for a withdrawal. So to do this, we go to the profile menu and select finance. We get to the following menu. Here we also select withdrawal, and thus we get to the withdrawal menu. I will withdraw to my WebMoney wallet. In the column below, I will type the amount. I will make an application for $4,300. Also, my wallet number is already listed below. We filled in all the columns and can click the confirm button. So great, as you can see, our application has been accepted. At the same time, we see that the amount of money I applied for has already been debited from the deposit. There are only $83.20 left on my deposit. So soon this amount will be credited to my wallet. As you can see, we managed to make a profit. All market cases work perfectly. So with the right approach and some experience, this strategy works perfectly on both ordinary currency pairs and OTC charts. So I hope you liked this video and learned some useful information for you. Try to look for some similar cases in the market and work on them. Trade and train as much as possible, gain your own experience, and you will definitely succeed. Huge thanks to all of you who watched this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment, and press the bell. Also, if you want to make money with me and be added to my close Telegram community, send me the code word team to my private messages and I will add you. Don't hesitate. See you in the next video. Bye!